Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Box Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing a review of a coin that was issued in 2015 for the 800th anniversary of the Magna Carta being signed by King John. Here we have the outer sleeve. I have with some information about the Magna Carta and also the specifications. I've taken the outer leaf out so I could show you. This is the actual presentation area. You have King John signing the Magna Carta with his knights surrounding him. You have a copy of what looks like of the Magna Carta itself. You then have the foundation for democracy, what the Magna Carta was all about and what happened. If you want to actually read any of these, please pause the video and enlarge it to your heart's content. I'll just set that up a little bit so you can get it all in. There you go. The next page over talks about the Charter of Freedom and one of the seals are at the bottom of the Magna Carta. Let's get that in for you. And we have the continuation, including one of the quotations or one of the areas from it, from the Magna Carta. We then have enduring principles, and it shows 4 people there who apparently applied Magna Carta rules, which includes Sir Winston Churchill and what they said about the Magna Carta. And then you have a British monument on British ground, which was actually paid for by the Americans, I believe, or partially paid for by the Americans, because a lot of the founding fathers stuff actually was based on the Magna Carta. And then you look at the design and the designer of the coin. There's some information there about them. Of course, the actual oh, excuse me a second while I just get pick something up off the floor that I need for the next part of the video. This coin is, let's get right down to on top of it, and there's a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, but importantly underneath there are 3 letters of the designer of the Queen's portrait, which is IRB, Ian Rank Broadley. Now this coin that you see in circulation, the BU versions of it, the brilliantly uncirculated, such as in this BU pack, and also in the annual coin sets, the actual design and Queen's head design is by Ian Rank Broadley. The ones that went into circulation were by JC. So this is the fifth portrait of the Queen that went into circulation, and the 4th portrait was in the actual coins in the BU packs and the annual sets. This is the actual coin itself. Now occasionally with these you do get blobs near to the crown and down to the side here where the die had broken down when they originally did the minting of the coins for circulation. They aren't on the BU ones. I can't see anything on there at all. It's as clean as anything. There are no extra blobs of metal, as I say, where the die broke down. They tend to happen every 250,000 coins or so. The die can start breaking down and they put a new die on. So this is an almost perfect version of the coin. So I've been after this coin for a long time. There are several coins that have the difference of the Ian Rank Broadley portrait was in the BU packs and the annual pack, the annual set. This happened on 2 or 3 coins. I think the other one was the Navy Centenary. Was another one that had the IRB portrait in the packs. This coin is one of my favourite coins because it covers an historic event. That historic event was the signing of the Magna Carta. Just put it back in its protected sleeve. It's important to me because I love history, and this coin represents a historic event 800 years after it originally happened, and it is the basis of the freedoms and the rights that we have today, some 800 years later. And the American founding fathers used it as a basis for their constitution. So it's a very important event that quite rightly was celebrated with the coin. Not all important events that have coins, and not all coins that are minted for historic events go into circulation, so this was one of the few. I'm very grateful that I have this one there. As I say, I've been after it for about 5 or 6 years and finally found one. I was hoping originally to just buy the coin so I could have the coin alongside the circulating version in my date run. However, that hasn't happened as yet. I have this version, which I'm very happy to have. Tell me down in the comments below, do you have this version? Would you be looking to get this version? Or are you just happy to have the circulating version in your collection? Let me know down below. That ends this review. If you've enjoyed this particular video, could you please give me a thumbs up? If you haven't yet done so, could you at least think about subscribing to the channel? Both the thumbs up and subscribing to the channel doesn't cost you any money. I do a minimum of 5 videos and usually 6 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. And in the meantime, until we meet up again, thank you for staying to the end, and until we do meet up, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.